Hey everyone! When we post on LinkedIn, we know visuals can really make a difference. A well-edited photo grabs attention, increases engagement, and makes our posts look more professional. Whether we're sharing an event photo, business update, quote, graphic, or personal achievement, taking time to edit our photo before or during a LinkedIn post is important. Today, we'll guide you on how to edit a photo in a LinkedIn post and why it matters for our image. Editing a photo in our LinkedIn post helps make it clearer, improves how it looks, and keeps things professional. LinkedIn is a professional platform, so the quality of our visuals affects our personal brand. By adjusting brightness, cropping out distractions, using filters carefully, or adding simple text overlays, we can make our posts more eye-catching while keeping them polished for a business audience. This also helps us focus on the main subject of our post. For example, cropping removes distractions and adjusting controls makes text or details easier to read. When done right, photo editing supports our message instead of taking over. This makes it more likely people will stop and engage with our content as they scroll. Now let's look at the simplest way to edit a photo on LinkedIn. First, open your browser. We go to our account. We log into our account on linkedin.com. Once we're logged in, we're taken to the main page. To start a post or edit a photo, we begin by uploading a photo. For example, let's use a photo of our workplace. Let's pause for a moment. Suppose we want to edit this photo. Go to our home page. We can click on our post, or go to our profile. We just click on the three dots. If we want to edit, replace the photo, or change the caption, we simply select Edit Photo. For example, let's edit a photo we just posted. Click the three dots, then Edit Post. Here, we can edit the photo. We can replace it or edit it. If we want to add text, we can put it here. We can also add emojis. This is how we edit or update a post. We can re-upload a new photo, edit the content, or rewrite the caption with AI. We can edit the photo before posting it again. After making changes, just click Save. Once it's posted again, the photo is now updated and edited. And that's how we edit a photo in a LinkedIn post. Remember, the goal isn't to over-edit, but to enhance our image in a clean and professional way. A simple polished photo can really improve how our content performs and how others see our brand.